Welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how to set VLC as your default video player on Windows 11. If you often watch videos on your PC and want a reliable and powerful player, this guide will make it simple and easy for you to use VLC for all your video files. First, right-click on the Start icon located on your taskbar. Next, click on Settings from the list. Then, from the left sidebar, click on Apps. After that, click on Default Apps to see a list of programs you can set as default for different tasks. Next, scroll through the list until you find VLC Media Player and click on it. This will show a list of file types that VLC can open. Then, locate the file type you want to set VLC as default for, such as MP4. Click on MP4, and a menu will appear showing the available applications. Select VLC Media Player from the list, and finally click on Set Default to confirm your choice. Once you complete this process, VLC will automatically open MP4 files and any other video formats you set it for. You can repeat the same process for other video formats like AVI, MKV, or MOV to ensure all your videos open with VLC. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.